Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change email address on IQIYI. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your IQIYI application, which of course I've done right here. Where exactly can you find this app? It's pretty simple. You can find it on Google Play Store or you can find it on Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Now launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar type IQIYI and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download and install the app. Now after downloading and installing the app, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage. Once you get in there, check the bottom of your screen and locate the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you click on the me icon, you're going to see log in and sign up option at the top of that screen. So click on that and follow through with the prompts to either log in or to sign up by creating a new account. After doing that, head back into this home page. Now you can explore a lot of features to have an exciting time right here in this home page. So let's hop into today's text, and that is how to change email address. From this home page, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find Home, Explore, Shop, Download, and Me. So go ahead and click on Me, and it takes you to this window where you have My List, History, IQIYI Results, you have Rewards, rather, you have Language, you have Subtitle Translation, you have Settings, FAQ, and Feedback. Now for you to change email address, go ahead and click on Settings, and once you click on Settings, it takes you here. Now in here you have Account and Security, Play by Account Download, you have Parental Controls, Privacy, Clear Cache, and Check for Updates. So go ahead and click on Account and Security, and that takes you here. Now you have email, you have SMS, device management, and password management. So go ahead and click on email, and once you click on email, now you need to verify your account. So click on the send verification code, head over to the email that you used, the previous email that you want to change, get the verification code, add it here, and after adding it here, then you can come over to email again, and you'll see the option for you to enter a new email and to just click on the save button, and that's it. Your email is going to be changed. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.